Welcome back, biker fans. This is Ryker Ferg. So I'm gonna do a little maintenance today, and then I'm actually gonna install my show chrome handle grips. Alec, thank you again, sir, from slingmods. But no, today is more of a maintenance issue. You see all this? Hawaii is making all my wheel corroded. So what I got here as a pre-treatment, because I got the new show chrome hubcaps coming in to protect it from future, is this. This will help prevent it from rusting. So let me show you how I'm gonna do this. All right, Ryker fans, let's get to work. All right, you good? So I don't spray into this wheel clip. Go ahead and remove it real quick. This will just reinstall it. I don't want to spray and then clog it all up in there. But you can see there's, I mean, look how bad that rust is. It's all in there. So let's get this done, Ryker fans, real quick. Come from the back. Let that dry. Let it sit there and dry. It takes about an hour, Ryker fans. Oh shit, got some on my rim. Off. But yeah, put some tire cleaner on that, Ryker fans. But yeah, we'll just let it sit there and coast, and that's about it. I'm gonna do it for each one. So let's go on the next side. See, it's getting bad too. Ooh, look at that. Oh man, that's in there too. Oh, that thing corroded in there, Ryker fans. There it goes. Wow, look at that. Corrosion, big time. Corrosion is always the enemy. Let it soak. Then I'll get a towel and fix that. This is actually pretty easy to remove. This one actually, I think it's because of the shack box. Let me go get my wrench. Yeah, there it goes. Dang. This one's in there. Wait. Come on. Ah. This one's actually not bad. Come on. This should come. Golly, really? This one should come right off. Oh man, I'm resting on my rims. There it goes. Easy peasy. Come on, you freaking thing. There it goes. No, screw it. Off it. Now let's do it. Sorry, Ryker fans, that one is not coming out, but doesn't matter, because I'll figure it out when I get the other things. But you can see it clearing up. And that is it, Ryker fans. Till next time, Ryker Ferg out.